All right, so we're going to take a look at graphing systems of equations, and we're going to do the same thing that we did when we looked at the inequalities and we graphed those. I'm going to first color code these two so that we can see them better on the graph. All right, so let's start with the first one, and we're going to plot -3, and then I'm going to go up 4 over 1. Okay, so it gives me those points. I'm going to do my best to try to make this a good dotted line. Okay, well, that's not a great job, but it is what it is. And then I'm going to plot the second one. So I'm going to start at +3, and then this slope's negative, so I'm going to go down to right 1 from that starting point. Okay, and I'm going to connect those. That being a solid line. And now we need to test points. So let's look at the first one. And if I test 0, 0, I put 0 in for y. And is that greater than, if I put 0 on the right side, I'm left with -3. So is 0 greater than -3? It is. So I would shade on the side where 0, 0 is. So that would be this side. Okay. The second one, if I use the same test point in 0, 0, I would get 0. And is that greater than or equal to 3? Well, 0 is not greater than 3. So that solution does not work, which means I go the opposite direction. So I would go above the line. And where the two overlap is going to be my solution. So everyone see that? So where the two overlap in here is my solution. Okay, so I would actually get rid of all of that. So I'm going to redraw that. My solution again is in here. That's where they overlapped when I shaded. Okay? Please complete the odd problems on the paper. I don't think you should have any issues with them. I'm going to scroll down here and make sure. When you get to number 5 and number 7, you are going to have to solve those first. And you can go ahead and skip the last page. So you really only have to do 3, 5, and 7. I am including the answer key in this, so when you're done, check your work. It's not going to benefit you to just copy the answers, so make sure you try it.